Hello everyone, this is the fifth experiment of in, Web Technology Lab. In this, we have to make six programs using JavaScript. So the first program is to find the longest word in a string. So to find the longest word, the code is like first we have to make the HTML file. HTML for that script we have to write. In the script we have to write first we have to take input. So variable input equal to I'm taking input in a prompt box. So prompt and what is the sentence? Enter the sentence and I'm taking array variable array so that wherever there is a space I will store it in an array, that is input dot split, and wherever there is a space it will store in that array. Then I have starting I am giving long as array of 0, then starting from I equal to 1 to array length. If array of I dot length is greater than long dot length which I am taking in the starting element, then long becomes this, and this process goes on repeatedly, and in the end we'll get the longest word in the long variable. So to show that document dot longest word is long. This is the first thing. Then second we have to make a BMI calculator. So for a BMI calculator the code is like first we'll make the HTML file which will have your weight, height, and which will take weight, height from user and get BMI button, which on click will call the calculate function. So inside calculate function I'm taking height, which I'm taking from the get element by id height method and taking the value, then weight, and similarly BMI equal to weight divided by height square, that is height into height. Then we have to take document get element by id score dot in HTML is equal to BMI. I'm keeping the score there. If that BMI is less than 18, we can say that it is in a underweight, so we can write document dot get element by id type dot in an HTML is equal to underweight. Similarly, if it is greater than equal to 18 and less than equal to 25, then it is type is normal, and if it's greater than equal to 25 and less than 30, then it is overweight, and if it is more than that, then it is obese. Then we have third third question is we have to make a flower garden in which user will enter number of rows and columns. So the third experiment, we will make that our HTML file which will take rows and columns and will call on click grow function. Then we have array we are taking in which we are keeping both the image files, and then I'm taking rows, that is the parse int to get the integer from get element by id rows dot value, then I'm passing it to integer. Then similarly I'm taking columns, then from I equal to 0 to less than rows and j equal to 0 to less than columns, I'm taking a loop and taking a random number which can be found out by index equal to mat.floor function, and in that mat.random into 2 which will take from two integers, and it will take the value from 0 and 1, and document garden.inner HTML plus equal to image source. I am taking the source as whatever random number I am getting, array of that random number, and I am giving some width and height, and after each j row is complete I am giving a break so that it goes to the next row. Then this is the third experiment, third thing. Then we have fourth thing is the weight indicator. So to find the weight we have first we are taking the weight from the user in kg or lps, then we am converting it. So to convert it first I'm taking index. So to find whichever you took from the drop down next, we have to take index equal to document get element by id dot selecting index. Similarly, value we have to take from, you have to, if you have to find the value from the drop down list, document get element by id, that element id index dot value. Similarly, I am taking index 1 and value 1. Then for both the boxes, if value equal to kg and value 1 equal to lbs, then means the first checkbox is kg and second is lbs, then we have to multiply by 2.20462 into whatever data is given by the user its value, and if it is lbs and value 1 is kg, then we have to multiply 0.45 with the whatever value is given by user, and if both the values are equal means both are kg or lbs or lbs, then we need not change the value is what user gave. This is the fourth thing. And then we have fifth is coin flip. So to do a coin flip, we have the code is like So first the thing is HTML. Then to get the flip documented for function flip number we are taking, that is from the random function of two, that is for head and tail. The documented get element by ID. Then source I'm taking a of that random number, and if number equal to 0 means the first number, then I am increasing c, which is for either head or tail. For example, it is for head. Then if it is number is not random of 0, that is 1, it is, then it is we have to increase the number of tails, and in the end we have to show the number of heads and tails. And then we have the sixth is pizza order form. So for pizza order form I have done is first variable small value, I am taking user from user small medium and large pizza values, and then tip I am calculating, that is function is document dot query selector input name tip dot checked. If it is checked, then I have to take the value of the tip. If amount equal to, and amount I'm taking 100 into small plus 200 into medium plus 400 into large, which is the amount of each pizza. Then net amount is amount plus 0.09 into amount, that is the tax. And final amount is tip by 100 into an amount plus an amount. Then I am displaying the final amount. So this is the sixth one. Now I will show you by executing each of this. So first one is this one, first experiment. So enter the sentence. Suppose I enter in this Ashish is the longest note, so it is showing Ashish. Then for second one, suppose I am entering 45 and height is 0.7. It is showing the output as normal. And for third one, flower gardens, if I'm taking any number, suppose 4 and 3, then it will show you 4 rows and 3 columns of random any flower, 2 flowers which I have chosen. Then I have for the HTML. So I am taking any value, suppose 100 kg to LBS. It will show you the correct LBS value. I have fifth experiment. If I flip it, it will calculate the number of tails and heads, and it is on random basis. And then we have sixth, number of small pizzas. Suppose I have two, so I have three, this I have four. It will calculate order and show you the result. And that's all for this fifth experiment. Thank you.